Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create interactive stories in Scratch. We'll take a wizard and an elf and show you the conversation. When we click on green flag, welcome to the magic world. I am going to the mountains. The elf has gone to the mountain. Now let's see how this works. Let's get started. First of all, we'll delete the cat sprite. We'll take the backdrop. We need two backdrops here. One is witch house and the other backdrop is mountains. From outdoors we can take mountain. Then we need two sprites from the fantasy. One is wizard and the other one is again from fantasy, elf. Now we'll place both the sprites. Backdrop we are taking first we need witch house. Now elf is facing the other side, so we need to change the direction of elf. So for that we'll choose elf from here, go to costume, and then from here flip horizontal. Both will look to each other so that we can show the conversation. Now we'll write script for wizard, go to code, when green flag clicked, the wizard has to say welcome to the magic world. Now we need script for elf, when green flag clicked, initially the elf has to wait for 2 seconds. By the time wizard is speaking his dialogue, wait 2 seconds, and then wizard has to say his elf has to say his dialogue. I am going to the mountains. And we need a script for backdrop also. When green flag clicked, initially the backdrop has to be the first one, that is witch house. From the looks we can take switch backdrop to first is witch house. Then we'll wait for 4 seconds. By the time both the characters say their dialogues, 2 seconds are for witch, 2 seconds are for elf. So total 4 seconds. And then we go to looks again, looks block, and then switch backdrop to mountain. This is the script for mountain. Now when we click on green flag, see the elf is saying welcome to the magic world. I am going to the mountain, but the elf has to disappear, the wizard has to disappear. So in wizard script we'll add hide. After 2 seconds the wizard has to hide. So wait 2 seconds by the time elf is saying the dialogue, and then elf has to hide. This is hide, and initially in the beginning now we need show also, otherwise the elf will not, the wizard will not appear. Now let's see what happens. Full screen, click on green flag, see the first is witch house, both the sprites are saying the dialogue, and then elf is going to the mountain. Again we can try. So like this you can choose your own sprites, you can choose your own backdrops and create your own stories. Go ahead.